Cheekaaboo because of the design. It's really funky, different from other brands in the market. And also my kids, they're so used to Cheekaaboo. Every time we bring the swimwear out, they know that it's swim time, you know. So it's awesome for us because every time when we go swimming or we go to the beach, we have a lot of fun.
Yeah. The things I like the most is because they can keep warm, so I don't need to worry my baby will catch cold.
Okay. Apart from the suit's function, right? I think it's the design. I think so far it's the best in the market you can find. Okay. For the baby series, because I couldn't find anything else. I don't have to mention the name, but I think Cheekaaboo has the best design in market so far.